Thanks to the rich culture and historic roots, Iranians enjoy many festivals and ceremonies during the year, namely Nowruz and Yaldaa. And since religion has always played a significant role in Iranian culture, there are some religious rituals like Ramadan and Ashura. Nowruz is the day which has been celebrating over 3,000 years worldwide as the first day of spring and the beginning of the Persian calendar. In recognition of the importance of this ancient rite, Nowruz was inscribed on UNESCO's list of the intangible cultural heritage of humanity in 2009 by Iran and some other Asian countries. And Yaldaa is one of the oldest Iranian traditions, dates back to over 8,000 years ago. It is also called Shab Chelle and is the time between the last day of fall and the first day of winter, which is the longest and the darkest night of the year. Iranians celebrating Yaldaa by gathering until midnight and eating dried foods, nuts, and winter fruits like pomegranate, which symbolizes the red color of dawn in the sky. Moreover, Iranian Muslims, like all other Muslims around the world, in the holy months of Ramadan, fast from dawn to dusk and take part in prayers, reflections, and reciting Quran. The other key religious ritual is in the months of Muharram, and specifically Ashura, in the memory of Imam Hussein and his households. In Hong Kong particularly, cultural section of the consulate provides many engaging events each year, which you will enjoy some related video clips in this part. Last year, the Persian music concert by Waziri Ensemble at City Hall was greatly welcomed by audience. However, this year's program was called off due to the coronavirus situation. But let's watch a piece of Persian music together.
چمن در بستر گل بنشین، با مهر نسیم سحر زیبایی تازه ببین. چمن بیارا با خنده شکوفه بشین، گل پیش تو دم نزند در این صبح بهاری. مگر باغ بهشتی، مگر در آن چهره چه داری؟ مگر باغ بهشتی، مگر در آن چهره چه داری؟
had photo gallery and miniature expo in Cultural Center. And we are really optimistic to hold the new version in July. You may have heard about Persian miniature. It is a richly detailed painting which depicts religious or mythological themes, which can easily mesmerize the viewers. Just keep an eye. COVID-19 situation gets contained, we will have a new handicraft expo in September. Iran is very rich in handicrafts with a variety of over 300 fields, including rugs, carpets, woodwork, and metalworks, among others. I would like to share with you a piece on the Persian handicraft.
Visit Iran.
Thank you very much for your attention.